Whoa! McGreasy Kings?
Yeah, lunch.
That is just the stuff I was telling everybody to stay away from.
Oh. But wait, you didn't see what I got.
I was about to show them. MyPlate. It shows you how to balance your diet with all the food groups your body needs to grow strong and healthy.
Whoa! Can I try?
Sure. All right. Ready? Oh! All right, here, Janie, let's take a look at what's on your plate, shall we?
Okay.
All right, let's start here with the fruit group.
Fruit group. All right. Oh, I've got an apple.
Pie? Oh, why? All right, how about the vegetables?
Vegetables, I got some potatoes.
French fries? Oh, my. All right, how about the dairy group, like yogurt or cheese or...
Milk?
Shake? Fake? Cheney? Protein?
Okay, I think you're gonna like this one.
All right.
I have a double whammy Super Mac.
Mac greasy.
Oh.
And the grains?
Buns?
White? Not quite. Oh. Janie,
Ugh.
they got you. Just look at your plate. All the color is gone. And besides, huge portions aren't great. This meal that you bought, made in a factory by machines instead of grown fresh from Mother Nature, look, only whites and grays. No greens.
Ew.
What I love is... fresh food! Full of color, crunch, and texture! I feel so much better when my food comes from Mother Nature. Now, it may be hard at first to start, but every time you try, you'll feel so much better eating fresh foods like apples instead of sugary, salty, fatty, fast food apple pies.